These types of mixed reality, POV, cute mascot videos are blowing up all over social media right now. And the crazy part is they instantly grab your attention. You're scrolling through Instagram and suddenly you see a tiny, adorable mascot interacting with the real world from a POV perspective. Your brain is basically like, wait, what am I looking at? And that's exactly why this content works so well. If you check out this Instagram page, you'll see that it has gained 63,000 followers just by posting these types of cute mascot videos. And the best part is you can actually create videos like these yourself using AI. You don't need a camera, actors, or an expensive studio. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos like these in just 5 minutes. All right, let's get into it. First, I've created a powerful master prompt for you guys, and you'll find this master prompt in the description. Once you have it, simply copy the entire master prompt carefully. Then open Claude AI. If you prefer another chatbot, that's totally fine, but I recommend Claude AI for this workflow because it handles detailed prompts really well. Once you're inside Claude, paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. In just a few seconds, Claude AI gives us a list of 10 different video ideas to choose from. If you want more fresh ideas, simply type more and Claude will give you another batch of new ideas. For this tutorial, I'm choosing the 17th idea, so I simply copy it and paste it into the prompt box. Then, Claude AI asks you to select the video duration, and for this example, I'm choosing 10 seconds. After that, Claude asks you to describe your character's appearance, or you can upload a reference image. Since I don't have one, I simply type, "Create a cute and funny character by yourself." And just like that, Claude gives us a detailed character appearance prompt. Once you receive it, simply type "Next." Claude AI then gives us an extremely detailed video prompt specifically designed for the OmniFlash video model. It handles the character's actions, camera angle, environment, POV, movement, and other details for us. Once you have the final video prompt, simply copy the entire thing and open Google Flow AI. Once you're inside, switch to video generation mode, select your aspect ratio, choose the OmniFlash video model, and make sure you select a 10-second duration. Now, paste the entire video prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. Just wait for at least a minute, and as you can see, our video is generated. Now take a look. The video looks exactly like what we wanted, and honestly, it looks even cuter and more satisfying than I expected. The mascot looks adorable, the POV perspective makes it feel like the character is actually inside the real environment, and the mixed reality effect makes the video instantly more interesting. And remember, this is just one example. By using this exact workflow, you can create many different types of videos like this. You can choose different concepts, create different mascots, experiment with different environments, change the POV, and make the characters funny, cute, curious, or completely ridiculous. That's where this workflow becomes powerful. You can create endless variations by changing the ideas, characters, environments, and POVs, then test what performs best. So if you've been looking for a new AI content niche to experiment with, definitely give this workflow a shot and make the format your own. And that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to AI Xcentra so you never miss the next viral AI niche before it gets saturated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.